How to set video quality in cellular streaming on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set video quality on cellular streaming on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click here to go to setting, of course, and now go down. You need to find this one, this category, video quality, and then you will find this one here, cellular streaming. Just click on it and find anything you want, like low or medium, high, very high. And as you see, that's how set cellular streaming on Spotify. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.